Today, let's take a closer look at our little steel cannon. This is no toy, but a super high-pressure cleaner weighing 500 bars with a flow rate of 15 liters per minute. This little monster is equipped with a stainless steel high-pressure pump and a 15-kilowatt large motor, and its casing is also made entirely of stainless steel, offering exceptional corrosion resistance, making it a powerful tool for cleaning on ships. Its design is compact and easy to move, so let's experience its power together now.
Fusun. Make the world cleaner.